Hi guys, nag-cook tayo guys ng chicken curry naman. Carrots tsaka potato, patatas at tsaka number 1 na ingredient guys ay chicken. Ito na guys ang aking chicken curry. Ang ingredients niyan guys ay coconut milk, sa Tagalog gata. Lagyan mo ng red pepper. Parang umalat guys. Ayan na guys, ang ating chicken curry. Lagyan natin ng konting sabaw. Kasi guys, matutuyo yan siya. Ito na ang aking chicken curry. Ito na guys. Pakuluin lang natin. Medyo anghang. Ang ingredients yan guys ay coconut milk, sa Tagalog nyog, at saka carrots. Kaya na guys, kumulo-kulo na. Huwag natin masyadong ipatuyo kasi masarap yung may sabaw, may soup pa siya. Ayun guys, oh see. Ito na guys, tikman natin. Oh, yummy. Yummy guys, ang aking chicken curry. Pakuluin muna natin guys ha. 15 minutes. Dinagdagan natin ng tubig. Ano ba yan? Nabulol ako. Yun lang guys. Yun lang guys ang ating chicken curry guys. Tingnan mo guys, kumukulo-kulo na, o yummy. O diba guys? Kasi ayan na guys, thank you for watching guys. Yummy ang aking chicken curry. Yan, pakuluin pa natin guys ha. Ayan. Chicken curry, coconut milk at saka carrots, potato, and especially chicken. Thank you so much for watching. Share my chicken curry. Masarap. Bye. Thank you for watching.